So if you ever have like something stuck, guys, he just took off the pump housing. This is where you'd come in. You just take whatever debris. Usually it's this piece right here. So when the ice drops, it hits this cube guide and slides it into the bin. If it ever ices up and the ice is too heavy, it'll break these little pieces off and they get sucked right into that pump. That's a common thing you'll see. Always inspect this. This usually gets ordered, I would say, once every 2 years. It's bound to break. These have to get cleaned as well over in the table. So when we say cleaning the water distribution system, anything that water runs through or touches that we can remove, we want to take it off the machine, bring it over to your 3-bay sink and clean it. So I see a couple more parts that we could bring over. Lucas is putting the pump back together. Anything we can disassemble here on the water distribution system, hoses, valve bodies,